everyone! I'm Lucy. Welcome to Lucy English Academy. Let's learn English the easy and fun way.
I am Lucy. I live in a small village. My village is quiet, and most days feel the same. I like walking in the fields near my home. I like nature. I like animals. One morning, I woke up early and decided to walk near the farm. I wanted to enjoy the fresh air. While walking, I saw a cow. The cow looked alone. It was big and brown. Its eyes were gentle. I felt something in my heart. I wanted to help it. I slowly walked closer. The cow did not move. It just looked at me. I remembered my mother's words. Animals can feel your heart. Be kind and patient. I wanted to touch the cow, but it was scared. I stood quietly. I sat on the grass. I waited. I breathed slowly. I said softly, "Hello, cow. I am Lucy. It is okay. I am your friend." At first, the cow stayed far. I waited. 5 minutes passed. Then 10 minutes. I did not move. I did not make loud sounds. I just stayed calm. Slowly the cow came closer. It sniffed my hand. I smiled. I felt happy. I learned something important. Patience is powerful. I started visiting the cow every day. I gave it grass. I talked to it softly. Sometimes I read a book near the cow. Sometimes I drew pictures of it. The cow became my friend. I named it Bella. Bella was gentle and calm. She made me feel peaceful. One day, I wanted to teach Bella something. I wanted her to follow me when I called. I said, "Come, Bella." But Bella did not move. I felt frustrated. I wanted to give up. I remembered my father's words. Good things take time. Do not rush. I took a deep breath. I waited. I tried again. Slowly, Bella followed me. I felt proud. I learned that patience brings success. I also learned something about myself. I used to want everything quickly. I wanted fast results. I wanted to learn English fast. I wanted to be good at drawing fast. But Bella taught me that slow effort is still good. Small, consistent actions make big changes. Sometimes Bella was playful. She ran around in the field, moving her head and making small noises. I laughed and tried to run with her. I almost fell, but I felt happy. I realized that fun and play are important in life too. We can learn while we enjoy small moments. One morning, I woke up and it was raining lightly. I wondered if Bella would come. I put on my raincoat and ran to the field. Bella was there. She stood in the rain, calm and quiet. I gave her extra grass and spoke softly. "You are brave, Bella. Thank you for waiting for me." I learned that consistency is important, even on rainy days. Even when I feel lazy, showing up matters. I started keeping a notebook. Every day, I wrote about Bella, the field, and my feelings. I also wrote new English words I learned. For example, gentle, calm, patient, careful, joyful, brave, consistent, observe. Writing slowly helped me remember the words. I could practice English while spending time with animals. Some days, Bella did not come close. I felt sad. I wanted her to come immediately, but I remembered patience. I stayed calm. I waited. Slowly she came. This taught me that not everything happens immediately. Waiting is okay. One afternoon, I saw a little calf near Bella. It was cute and playful. The calf ran around. Bella stayed close. I laughed. I realized life has small joys. Watching animals, walking in nature, and spending time quietly can make me happy. This is a kind of learning too. I also met a farmer in the field. He watched me with Bella and smiled. He said, "You care for animals. That is good." They learn from kind people. I realized that others notice your patience and care. Even if you think no one is watching, helping others, even animals, improves yourself. One day, I wanted to show Bella to my little brother, Tim. He was scared at first. I said, "Do not worry. She is gentle. Watch me first. I slowly approached Bella. Bella stayed calm. Then Tim touched her. He laughed and said, "She is nice." I smiled. I realized that teaching others patience helps them, and it helps you too. Some days I felt tired. I wanted to stay home. I wanted to read or sleep, but I remembered Bella. I remembered my father's words. Good things take time. Do not rush. I took a deep breath and went outside. Bella was there. She waited for me. I felt calm. I felt proud. I learned that discipline and routine are important for growth. Evening came. I sat near Bella and watched the sunset. The sky is orange and pink. The wind was soft. Bella stood quietly beside me. I felt calm and happy. I wrote in my notebook, "Patience, care, and small steps bring joy and success." I am learning every day. I learned more than English or drawing that day. I learned life lessons. I learned that nature and animals can teach us important values if I pay attention. I learned that calm and patient effort is better than rushing. I learned that small joys make life beautiful. I also remembered stories I read in school. I remembered how Thomas Edison tried many times before he invented the light bulb. I remembered how J.K. Rowling was rejected many times before Harry Potter was published. I realized that success takes patience, small steps, and persistence. Just like learning to be friends with Bella. Now I visit Bella every day. I feed her. I draw her. I write words I learned in English. I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel proud of myself. Every day I learn something new, slowly, clearly, step by step. Sometimes I sit quietly and imagine my future. I imagine drawing more, learning more English words, helping more animals, and helping my friends. I imagine teaching others the lessons I learned from patience and care. I feel hopeful. I know that small steps today will grow into something big tomorrow. If you watch this story, remember, patience is a skill you can practice. Small actions every day lead to big results. Nature, animals, and quiet moments can teach us lessons about life, calmness, and learning. Mistakes are okay. Waiting is okay. Trying slowly is okay.